Saturday morning. It's our last day of vacation. We have a late night flight, late checkout. We are at the beach one more time. A little warmer this morning than the last few mornings. Breeze has died down. It is absolutely gorgeous. Our morning beach time is wrapping up. We're on an abbreviated timeline today, even with the evening flight. Doing our floaties one last time. Beautiful day. The Pier 60 Sugar Sand Festival. Be here in town for the Sugar Sand Festival. It's worth the quick trip in to go check it out. It's pretty cool. Spent an hour and 3/4 on the Tropics Boat tour. If you're looking for that one boat tour to do in Clearwater Beach, do the little toot. You'll see lots of dolphins.